Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make different geometric patterns using simple code from the Snap software. So I'm going to start with the clear and pen up blocks to reset the stage, and then I'm going to tell the sprite to go to x0, y0 coordinates, which is the center of the board, and start drawing with the pen down block. Then I'm going to pull up a for loop block, which basically says that each line that the sprite will draw will have a length starting from 1 and then going up to 150. This move block basically says that each time the sprite draws a line, the length of that line will be twice the length of the previous line that it draws, and each time it draws a line, it'll turn right 200 degrees. So if you were to play this out, it would draw this geometric figure, and you can actually see how each part of the code plays out if you slow it down. So first, the sprite will go to the center, and then it'll start making the lines and multiply by 2 every time it draws one, all the way until it gets to 150. And you can see that each time it makes one, it's changing its position by turning 200. And it keeps repeating this motion, and it will always overlap at the center. And by doing this, it'll create the star pattern. And it will stop once the last line that draws has a length of 150. So I can actually make different types of patterns using this exact same set of code, except changing whatever's in the for loop section. So I'm going to duplicate this, and instead of 2 times the length, I'm going to change it to 1 and change this to 30 degrees. I'll also make the shape slightly smaller so that the last line will be 100. So this will create a spiral pattern. You can also make a maze with different right angles. So if I turn 90 degrees, it will make sure that each time the lines intersect, they will intersect at 90 degrees or a right angle. I'll move this back to 2. And it'll create a maze pattern. So you can always tinker with the numbers. So for example, if I turn this to 70 degrees and make this 200, then you get this really cool pattern. So you can always tinker with whatever's in the for loop and change the length the sprite draws a line and the number of degrees that it turns to make unique shapes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos on the channel.